Anybody else want to record?
Me.
So let me make sure I can see everything before you guys do this.
Huh? I got it.
Hold on, Christina. Let me
Okay.
make sure I can see everything before I dive into this. Okay, I can see them all. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Looking at the pectoral region of the cat, we have muscles in the human that are pec major and pec minor. In the cats, it's a little different. We have a muscle running from the xiphoid process to the humerus, so we call this xiphi humoralis. Here's pec major, or pec minor in the cat. Pec major actually is from here to here, and what we see on top of it is pecto antebrachialis, running from the pectoral region to the antebrachium. So this is pecto antebrachialis right here, and pec major is deep to that and on either side. Looking at the oblique section, this white thing that you see here is the rectus sheath. It's an aponeurosis formed by the oblique muscles. The rectus abdominis muscle is inside of it, so if you were to take a little slice of it, you would see the rectus muscle. Okay? External oblique muscles run down immediately as far as their fibers are concerned, so if you get up there close enough, you can see them running down immediately. We peel back a layer. Here we can see some muscles running up immediately. Those are the internal obliques. And then if you peel back both those layers, you see some muscle fibers running transversely. Those are the transverse abdominis muscles. Moving on to the back of the cat. We said we were going to skip your... Oh, actually. Nope. Sorry. Looking at the superficial muscles of the shoulder, in humans we only have deltoid. We have one deltoid and one trapezius. In the cat, they have 3 of each. So this is the spine of the scapula. This is the spinodeltoid muscle running with the spine of the scapula. At the end of the spine, you have the acromion process. So this is the acromiodeltoid. And then right here would be the clavodeltoid. All your deltoid muscles point to the trapezius muscles. So here's clavodeltoid. Up here is clavotrapezius. Acromiodeltoid right here would be acromiotrapezius. Spinodeltoid points to spinotrapezius right here. This little guy that we failed to mention was levator scapulae ventralis. In humans, it's just levator scapulae, and this helps to lift or shrug your shoulders. This pocket muscle right here, which I can't get to. Oh. This muscle right here, this big muscle, is the latissimus dorsi, right here. Looking to the deep aspects of the scapula, this is rhomboideus capitis right here, running to the head. Okay, and this is just rhomboideus. In humans, we have rhomboid major and minor, which is the rhomboideus muscle in the cat, and they have an extra muscle called rhomboideus capitis. The muscle that sits in the subscapular fossa is subscapularis. The one above the spine of the scapula is supraspinatus, and the one below it is infraspinatus. Finally, you have this chunk of muscle at the inferior angle that will attach to the humerus. This is the teres major. Lastly, we have the erector spinae muscles back here. This is iliocostellus, longissimus, and spinalis, the I love spaghetti muscles. The end.